What's up, guys? I'm finna interview this. I'm finna look at this Mack truck, man. Jimmy Joe gonna explain to me how to drive this damn truck. I ain't gonna drive it. Now, how you drive the damn truck, Jimmy Joe?
You gotta push in the yellow and the black.
You said three?
Yeah, you push in the yellow and the black, releases the truck.
Three buttons, three splitters. Three.
Yeah, three release.
Three release.
Yeah, it's like a safety. It's like you gotta push in. You push in the yellow and the red, and that'll release the trailer. Or the yellow.
Well, I got the brake, but how you change the gears?
Oh, just like regular.
Oh.
Yeah, it's really it's like a 5 or 7 speed. You really don't build a low side unless you
pulling something heavy.
Yeah,
taking
out the mud and heavy.
Okay.
Like that. But even if red light with a load on, you just leave it in high side. Take off.
Okay, I'm gonna go look at this old 83.
Yeah, see.
83 Mack. 83? 85?
83, I think.
83 Mack, you think?
See, you got to release the trailer, you got to push in the truck and the trailer. Push the yellow and the red, and that releases the trailer. You push in the yellow and the black button, and that releases the truck. So you push in all three, and then you're all released.
Push in three brake valves.
Yeah, you got to put two in to release each one. Like the truck's got to be released, the yellow's got to be pushed in for the red to release to the back. But so you can do that, and then the truck's got to be locked down. Unless you push the black button in too. And then see the kill switch.
It's American trucking here. It's fine.
You see 3 buttons. And then the kill switch is a pull.
It's in like the new trucks where you got the red and the yellow.
You can crank it up and then cut it off and take the key out, and it'll still be running. You gotta choke it out to shut it off.
You gotta push the choke in and shut the truck.
Well, that's the kill switch.
Kill switch.
Yeah.
You gotta choke the motor.
Yeah, pretty much.
To cut the truck off.
This is fancy one though, man. It's got air ride cab. It's all spring ride except for the cab. Got air ride. It's got one airbag in the middle there, somewhere.
Spring air ride cab, one airbag in the middle.
So like if you weigh something, when you crank it up, if you want to idle it up, you weigh something in there like that, weigh it up in there. Then when the airbags pick up, right? Because it's manual, so it's a rod, instead of.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so when it raises up, it goes. And it presses the pedal down, like running through the yard. And when you hit a bump, and you hit the bump with it, you go.
Can you imagine driving this to Chicago or hell, damn that, driving to Atlanta? I know she'll go. I know she'll go up there, but I ain't shit, man. You crazy. I know, I believe. I have to get up in this thing. Ooh. I'm good. Look at that, the hell, all this shit. Y'all think driving a 13 speed is hard? Getting one of this, getting this sucker here, try to take it up to Chicago. Let's see if I can pull the hood on. I mean, to be an 83 damn Mack, this damn truck look good. It look better than some of that shit I see on the road now. Open the damn hood. Hope this shit don't fall on my goddamn man. Hold on 1 second. Hold, be careful. I can move just in case. I got nothing holding the fucker up. Oh, it's staying up. What we got here? Ooh-wee. I bet this damn truck will outrun some of that shit on the road today. I'm gonna fire this damn thing up. Oh, you know how to crank the motherfucker. Let's see. Ooh, I'm talking about crunk right up. Shit. You gotta be shitting me. Man, please. I'm talking about running like a soul machine, bro. 83. Damn truck sound better than mine. Yeah, I was born in 81. Gorgeous. Oh yeah, look at that. That's gorgeous. Hold on. Oh yeah. That's what you want out of a truck. We ain't got all that damn DEF and EGR shit. So I cut off. You want line? The switch don't cut it off. Let's see. Say choke it. What's the choke right here? Engine stop. Yeah. Hold on. Y'all see that? It says engine stop. Ain't that some shit? Damn. So you gotta choke it out to shut it off. They don't make them like this anymore. I'm surprised how quick she fired up. I mean, shit, my truck take longer than that to crank up. This damn truck, I mean, whoom. Anyway, kind of remind me of some of that shit I drove in the military. Anyway, man, I just wanted to get this old truck on camera. I've been seeing it out here for a while. Hell, I didn't think them son bitch ran. Right here, run like a soul machine. I won't be listening to this truck run. I bet she'll go to California and Bay. Shit. All right, guys, man. I just want to get a little video on this 83 Mack truck. I don't even see the model. Okay, here go the plate. The van. Shitting me, boy. I mean, she ran like a soul machine. You got this damn hood down. Oh, shit. Yeah, my hood's heavier than that. Hell, she ain't got no model number, just Mack. What kind of truck is a Mack? A Mack what? Just a Mack. That's all you need to know. That right there. Tell you everything you need to know. It's a Mack. Alright, man, I'll catch y'all later. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Let's get these subscriptions up, man. I'm gonna try to find more. Hold on. Alright. Go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna try to find more cool trucks, more different trucks, unique trucks. I like shit that's different, that's unique, man. When the last time you saw an 83 Mack crank up like that, running, look this damn good, that's not sitting in the damn, huh? All right, y'all. Catch you next time.